How to log out of Roblox. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can log out of Roblox. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. First things first, you can simply open up your Roblox. You'll be headed into the home page, right? Directly. Now here on the home page, let it load up. What you want to do is at the bottom you can see list of options. You can see your profile icon there at the middle, and at the bottom right you can see three dots option or the more option. You want to simply tap on it. Now as you tap on the three dots option at the bottom right, you'll be headed to this more page here. Now you want to scroll all the way down below, and at the very bottom you'll be able to see the logout option. Simply tap on logout and it'll ask you for confirmation that you wish to log your account from. Confirm it and you'll be able to log out. So this way you can easily log out of Roblox account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.